when I would watch Hiligaynon resources on YouTube, it would be like 7 to 15 minutes long, and the teacher wouldn't explain anything. They wouldn't explain how anything works. For me, I need to understand how it works, why it works, so that I can create sentences myself. So, like in English, in a textbook, it's going to say, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? That's not how we talk. That's textbook. I don't want to learn textbook Hiligaynon. I want to learn Hiligaynon. I want to be able to talk with my family, with my husband. I want my kids to be able to talk with their family. So I want to keep my videos short, to the point, and explain why things work so that you can create your own sentences. And I just found out I need to make it 1 second longer than 1 minute. So I'm like, okay, that's my goal. Just 1 second longer than 1 minute. So I hope you enjoy.